What is the role of SEO and organic ranking for a personal injury law firm on page 1 of a search engine? Now we are in the best part of page 1 rankings. Organic result. The most rewarding part. You gain organic ranking when you provide better and more helpful information to your target audience than the next guy. When you do, this is what happens. With SEO, you get 53.3% of all website traffic, which comes from organic search, according to Bright Edge, so if you want more traffic to your website, consider SEO. Unless of course, you were lucky enough to get search box optimization done, which we will discuss in an upcoming publication. Organic listings receive 90% of clicks, while paid ads, pay-per-click, receive 10% of clicks. If you are lucky enough to be in the number 1 position, you get 33% of that 90% of clicks. The top 3 organic results, that is, the number 1, the number 2 and number 3 positions, get rewarded with 61% of the clicks. Imagine getting a lion's portion of the clicks on page 1. The top 3 organic results, the number 1, number 2, number 3 positions, capture 61% of clicks according to an older article, and they are free too, without having to pay for advertising. Now that's a huge deal, don't you think? Per backlinko, only 0.63% of people click on the second page of Google search results, which is pretty much nobody. So, it is imperative that you get seen on page 1, to turn more leads into sales, since nearly no one ever goes to the second page to search. That is why you should consider being on page 1, organically. So, what's new in SEO? What's new is that SEO doesn't have to be difficult anymore. It often feels like you won the loser status, not being on page 1, and having to spend a lot on advertising to make up for it, doesn't it? When you are the winner on SEO, after all that hard work, that winner status doesn't always stay up, unfortunately, and therefore, the need to employ a multi-pronged approach to polishing up your online presence and grab as much of the online lead generation as possible. Google presence is highly relevant as Google accounts for around 83% of the global search market. As 76% of people who search on their smartphones, the searchers, end up visiting the business within a day, per think with Google, and 28% of these searches result in a purchase. Now you can see how you can stay out of the loser status by employing the best alternatives, as well as using multiple prongs of the most effective strategies simultaneously to confirm and strengthen your position. These studies show that A. If you want more than 1% traffic to your website, and B. Wish to experience the advantage of organic traffic without having to pay for ads, C. You like the idea of brand recognition, and D. Are interested in the user experience of your customers, then SEO becomes a great choice. Subscribe to the playlist and share with your business owner friends. They will appreciate you for it. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia signing off. And thank you for watching.